it's Martha here with you, and I'm here to share my March 2020 design team package from Country Craft Creations. So it is really cute. I am going to be working with the Family Night collection by Cartabella. It is a super cute collection with some really beautiful reds and aquas and some navy blues, yellows. Just a really cute collection, so I'm super excited for that. So first, I have some of the seam binding here in like a golden yellow and black, and then also in the red. So that is very cool. And then here is the ephemera. Well, let's go through the paper first, and then we'll go back through the ephemera. So I have a few sheets here. They're kind of mixed up, but they are all from the Family Night collection. And what I really love about Cartabella is this beautiful texture on their papers. It has just a beautiful texture to it. It's very soft, and I just love it. So here is this sheet. It's very cute. It's got family night, it's got the little TV, it's got the dad reading to the kids. It's got the games here. We play a lot of games as a family, so that is pretty perfect for us. And then this is kind of a cut apart sheet. Oh wait, what was on the other side of this one? Oh, the other side of this one just has this really cool pattern on it. All right, and then there's this sheet. So this sheet just has a bunch of different games on it. Some of them I've heard of, I think. I don't even know if these are real or not. I thought I had heard of the Liar Liar one, but it's possible I did not. All right, and then the other side is this blue with like a kind of a tone-on-tone sparkle. Very cool. All right, and then next is this one here. It's all the like pop bottles, and there's orange and green and red, and just like the traditional Coke or cola. And then the other side has this really cool one on it. This is going to be hard to cut apart because it's very cool. Like a maze or whatever, or a game. And then the other side, yeah, we did the other side of that one. Here are some bingo cards. Very cool. And then the other side has this cool pattern on it. This is probably my favorite sheet. It is very, got lots of treats on it. There's donuts and hot dogs and pizza and, well, I think these are called whoopie pies. Candy bars, ice cream, all kinds of stuff on there, cookies. And then the other side has this red pattern. And then this one looks like, oh, movie listings. Or maybe it's a TV guide. I'm not sure what this is. Something like that though. And then there's this cool like tone-on-tone like alphabet pattern on there. And then this, I think these are the coordinating sheets. So this is like a blue on one side and a green on the other. And this is a red on one side and a pretty aqua on the other. I don't know what game this is. Yahtzee maybe? I don't know though. I have no idea. But very cool anyways, so it's fun. And then like a tone-on-tone polka dot back here. And then here are the 3x4 cut aparts. They all lived happily ever after, good times, painting, movie night, turn on a stereo and dance, family dinner. Love that one. And this, so maybe this is in competition for my favorite paper. I really love this one too, all these old television sets. And then records on the other side. I actually love both sides of that one. This one is really cool too. Color chrome slides. I might be a little young to know what some of these things are, but I love the pattern. And then there's this side. Love it. Oh man, I love this paper too. You could almost cut these out and use them as embellishments. And then there's the cool pattern on the other side. And then there's all these little people in this one. Love it. And then this pattern on the other side. This looks like a story. Maybe. I'm not sure. And then I have 2 sheets of the 12 by 12 cardstock, or sorry, chipboard, medium weight. And then I do have, just grab a scissor to open this. I do have the 6 by 6 pad, so it looks like they're the same patterns, just scaled down. Yeah, and so I'll definitely be using these as well. They're very cool. And then let's look at that ephemera pack and see what's in there. There seems to be a lot of cool stuff in there. So we've got Game On, we've got the girl with the easel, we've got Family Night, Making Memories are good and Good Times, Family Fun, that cool little maze thing, Game On, Family Time, Memories. Yeah, these are great, hanging out. They're putting on a record there. Some really cool little banners. Champion, Family Night, Game Night, Family Time. Very cool. These would be great for the title of the album. So they're fantastic. All right, so that is what I'm going to be working with for my March 2020 Country Craft Creations design team project. So I'm going to get this all cleaned up, and I'm going to get started on designing the album with this. It is going to be a large album. I know that you guys asked for larger albums with more difficult pages. So all of that is coming, and I'm super excited to let you guys see what's been brewing in my brain. So I will see you guys in the next video. If you haven't yet, please comment and subscribe and like my page and share, or sorry, my channel, and share. I would really appreciate that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.